everyone, this is Daniel with uGenesys, and today I'm going to show you another amazing scalping strategy, okay? And remember, if you're a beginner, having a trade manager to automatically take care of challenges like managing lot sizes and keeping you from overtrading and losing money can be a huge bonus for you. And we have just what you need with our trade management software called Market Keys. And also, if you're new and just don't know what to trade or when to trade, we have the perfect solution for you with our uGenesys Trend software, which gives you daily alerts for the most profitable trading opportunities. To learn more about these two products and their amazing benefits, you can click on the link in the description. So let's go ahead and start off by opening up a gold chart with a 1-minute time frame. And we're going to add our first indicator, so let's go ahead and type in QUE signals. And we're going to make one quick change here. Let's go ahead and go to settings and then inputs, and we're just going to change the RSI smoothing to 20 and hit OK. And then for our second indicator, let's go ahead and type in Gaussian channel. And here's the one we want, Gaussian channel DW. Let's add this one. Alright, and then we're going to make some changes here. Let's go ahead to settings and inputs, and we're going to change the sampling period here to 20. And we're also going to change the filtered true range multiplier to 2. And then let's go to style. And we're going to leave this first box that says filter checked, but let's just uncheck all the other boxes below that one, alright? And then hit OK. Alright, so with this indicator, it has a line, and we can see it has a green section and a red purplish section right here. So whenever the line is green, then we know we're in the uptrend, and when it's red, then we know we're in the downtrend, alright? And for our third and final indicator, we're going to add MACD. And here we go, moving average, convergence, divergence. And with this indicator, we can see we have a histogram, and whenever the histogram is above the zero line, then we know we're in the uptrend, and whenever it's below the zero line, then we can see that we're in the downtrend, okay? So let's take a look at our chart for some entries. So if you look right here, we can see that the line here is red, and you can see we have a short signal right here, and down here we can see that the histogram is below the zero line, okay, and red also. So that means that this is a good sell signal right here. And if you take a look right over here, you can see where the line is green right here, and we have our long signal, and below it we can see that the histogram is now above the zero line and it's blue, okay? So this would be another good signal. This is a long signal in this case, alright? Right here again, we can see another section where the histogram is below the zero line, and up here we can see the section of our line is red, and we can see we have a short signal, alright? And if you take a look, you see the market trending downwards, so we know this is another great sell signal right here. So right here again, we can see where the line is green, alright, and down here you see that the histogram is above the zero line and blue, and we have our long signal here, right, and you see the market going upwards, so we know this is a great buy signal right here, okay? And we can also take a look at the GBP USD chart. And if you take a look right here, you can see we have a short signal, and we have our line being red over here, and down here the histogram is below the zero line, okay? So, and we see the market going downward, so we know this is a great sell signal at this point. And right here again, we have a section of the market where the line is green, and we have our long signal, and below that you see that the histogram is now above the zero line, and you can also see that the market is going upwards, alright? So this is another great buy signal at this point. So this is a pretty decent strategy, guys, and hopefully you can try it out and get some profitable results, okay? So thanks again for watching our video. Please remember to like, subscribe, share with your friends, and comment down below and let us know what you think. And goodbye for now.